Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, yeah, hip-hop artist Chris Brown, or R&B artist Chris Brown, finally got himself a Jamaican baddie. My people, it's definitely a good look. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because this Browning goes by the name of J Wallace. You see, I'm not sure what part of Jamaica she's hailing from, but she's 100% yardie, you feel me? As you can see, she's the ambassador to Jamaica. You see, earlier she posted up herself with Mr. Brown in the background, you see, and the whole internet has been buzzing, you know what I mean? Not sure if the Americans knows if she's Jamaican, because, you know, typically them think of Jamaicans as being African. But yeah, it's definitely a good look. You know what I mean? People them say they really want Shenseea because she reminded me of Karuche. And as you can see, the new girl in there would definitely have similar features. You don't know the things that people. I'm not here to tell Chris who for look for or what for no for. But you know the people them say I'm not really like certain type. But it's definitely a good look, is it? But one thing for sure, Jamaican baddies are definitely winning because the man them want them. As you can see, the sender was inquiring why Shenseea and Chris never there. But she's ecstatic that Chris there with one still, meaning Jamaican. But nevertheless, let's talk about Shenseea a little bit because as you can see, she's doing good. She's on the Smurf soundtrack. And that's definitely a good look. You know, this thing, a picnic thing, Disney thing, Grammy thing. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, she wants to forget ready with her and see, you know, her life a week with Shenseea.
Alright, so Sunday, I start off in Miami where I had a 10-hour shoot with the main choice. But I'm not complain because it was smooth and yeah, I look good. I'm actually good for take a little nap. Anyway, I get that, I take that. I'm in a business. So I get for go to the studio after because I'm asleep. And then Monday, I hopped on a flight, went straight to New York because I did have a lot of meetings I did really have to get to. And look at this building. So beautiful, so insane. It blew my mind, literally. Tuesday, I went shopping because I did have a video shoot in Jamaica. And I did have to get something sweet before I touch the flight. Touched down in Jamaica Wednesday. I go up on a set, shoot my video with Asian, you know, tip remix. Thursday, I spend all day with my snookums. And then I hop on a flight, go back to Miami. On Friday, to transit to go to LA. Saturday, I wake up early because I did have to do my fitting. I'm going on a European tour soon. And then I went straight on set to do a shoot with GlassesUSA.com. Yeah, I'm really in mind work from my own because I'm not make no man stress me out. Me work the stress though, because when girl good, girl good. Today I performed at the Hollywood Bowl. I work hard, I'm a money maker.
Yeah, Shenseea a bad man, but Chris Brown too well for them girl there, you see me? Anyway, let's proceed to the next. And now my comrades down for some political mix-up because it seems like Bro God and the JLP can't do no good. And every effort put forth, people is saying is for political votes. You see, some people. But anyway, let's hear what the girl has said, and then we'll proceed with the next.
That now in Jamaica, that Daryl Vaz posing with the lady and the step of one of the buses, yes. That lady is Jacqueline Stewart Lecker. Right? Daryl Vaz is his wife, best friend. And it's her company the buses came through, and we are saying conflict of interest, we are saying nepotism, we are saying corruption. How is it that Daryl Vaz's wife, best friend, get that contract to bring in the 63 buses? And not just that, Andrew Holness give her a tax break. So 63 buses come in the country tax-free when it come on to she, and the billions of dollars that it costs taxpayers to bring them in. Right? And like I said, there's so much backstory to this woman, Jacqueline Stewart Lecker. She's also the woman that was the chairman of the Financial Service Commission at SSL when SSL crashed. Yes, Jacqueline Stewart Lecker. More story about she was the head of the FFC. Right? We leave FFC 2021 September when the whole mix-up going on. Yes, she's same one. Look at the big circle of 40 wolves. Look at the big circle of 40 wolves. When them supposed to have bidders, so you're supposed to have London, James, Donovan, Charles bidding to get this work here, to bring the buses in the country. We need to know who are the bidders. So Anne-Marie Val's best friend, Jacqueline Stewart Lecker, could win the bid. We need to know who were there, who were the other bidders. You guys are evil and nepotism right in front of poor people's face. And you, Daryl Veza, compose and bust step with this woman and know where our whole story coming from. Remember that SSL was given to Daryl Vaz's daughter-in-law as a gift. It was given to Daryl Vaz's daughter-in-law as a gift, guys. So check it out. SSL building was given to Daryl Vaz's daughter-in-law as a gift, right? Jacqueline Stewart Lecker was the chairman and financial service commission at the time when SSL crashed, right? Want to put all of that together. Usain Bolt money, 12 million USD dollars, still missing from SSL. So we want y'all to see where all of this tie up and all of this mix up is heading. And until today, we still don't see the Prime Minister come say nothing about Usain Bolt money. You understand? But so far, we can see Daryl Vaz taking picture with Jacqueline Stewart Lecker. When she had this bag of mix up at SSL. Right? And when we done hear say SSL was given to Daryl Vaz's daughter-in-law as a gift. And now her auto company is the company that bringing the buses them in Jamaica. Jamaicans, we need answers. Mr. Honest, we need answers. Corruption. Oh, the poor, oh, we're going to ever be better when we have people in high places sucking us dry. How is it that the Jamaican people is going to be better when people come out here talking, y'all coming up in my inbox to threaten me? To threaten me? You got to be out of your damn minds. If y'all figure that y'all can come shut me up by running in my inbox, come tell me about takedown video. How should I take down a video where I prove corruption and nepotism? How Jacqueline Stewart Lecker get the contract to bring in the 63 buses in Jamaica when it's Daryl Vaz's wife, best friend? When she was a chairman, right? She was a chairman and the financial service commission at the freaking SSL when it collapsed. How should I take down a video like that? No, I'm not taking it down. Jamaican people, remember SSL was given to Daryl Vaz's daughter-in-law as a gift. So think who give her. Think about who give her. And y'all sit down good and think how the SSL money share up. Think where Usain Bolt 12 million USD dollar is. Go sit down and think. This don't make any sense, Jamaica. These people are evil right in front of our face. And they plan to suck the Jamaican people dry. And because they realize that 3/4 of the poor people who out there running me down and barking at me, they don't understand the first shit that this is about and understand what this is about. Because number one, let me tell you something. Them 63 buses are coming here. Listen, Costa bus get knocked, get licked for 6. Costa buses get licked for 6. So now try remember that. You understand? So all of them with the local private Costa buses finish with. And they have plans for the taxi man. You don't see what Daryl Vaz do. You don't see them coming, them take contract with InDrive. And what other one call again? InDrive and the other one there. You don't see them sign foreign contract with the people, and you don't have to have nothing at all. You just sign up, bap, and you have an InDrive, and have I forgot what the other one name, but still a red plate taxi driver them suffering. How can you suffer on your own? Suffer on your own people. Just again, we not stop talking about Jacqueline Stewart Lecker, because Jamaicans, we want to know why Daryl Vaz's wife, best friend, get the contract to bring in the 63 JUTC bus in the country. And this whole bag of mix up because Andrew Holness give her a tax break. She was the chairman at the Financial Service Commission at SSL when SSL crashed. She was the head of FFC and leave in September 2021, which was a big coincidence. It was a big coincidence because the same time when she leave is the same time Andrew Holness take out fame look money where I'm claiming invest. So Jamaica need to open up them eyes and see what's going on. Y'all need to open up your eyes and see that is a pack of 40 wolf wearing sheep clothing. You understand? Y'all need to see what's going on. You're just going to sit down so about no shake bell. We don't need to shake no damn bell. I make the mistake and shake it twice and that will never happen. Not even in my grave when me gone some years from now that not gonna ever happen. You understand? Not even dopey. I go come out, come vote for no labor right again. Even though me see Mr. Andrew Holness' husband in the cemetery. Right? Like she work rituals. And we done it here already say, only use one only per dead people name and win election. You understand? And transport people from all over the place, go Portland, go win election. But let me tell you something, our eyes are on you people this time. It not gonna happen. We're down deep watching. Not gonna happen. And we have to thank God for social media. And I have another thing to say, Jamaican people. Listen, we don't business in an American business. But let me tell you something. We have to be happy for Donald Trump. Many of us don't like Donald Trump because of him dealing with immigration. But at one side, we have to be happy for him. Because remember, the fact...
At the end of the day, I just wish PNP and JLP voters, understand business and choose themselves. I'll just leave it like that. You see what I say? Anyway, people, man, I got longer. This not longer, Bless.